Hello children, in my last class I started a new lesson, lesson 2, the food we eat. In that I explained you about energetic food, protective food and bodybuilding food. Today we are going to discuss on water. What are the importance of water and balanced diet, healthy eating. Then you can see a tabular form chart, vitamins, that is related to vitamins, how they help us and what are the sources of gaining these vitamins we are going to find out today. I am going to explain you this all things today in this class. And let me inform you about HW. What are the words I underlined here? Those all are related to your HWs. Whenever you start writing, read and write. Let us start the lesson. Water. Our body also required water. Yes, our body also required water. 2/3 of body weight is water. 2/3 of our body weight is water. Water helps us to maintain body temperature. It forms a part of blood and digestive juice. It forms a part of blood and digestive juice. Our body loses water. Our body loses water in the form of urine and sweat. Here I just want to focus again. Our body loses water in the form of urine and sweat. Thus, it is important to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. You can see clearly in this picture a girl is drinking water. So water is very important for our body. Whenever you feel thirsty, drink some water. At least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily you people should eat, children. Now come to balanced diet. A balanced diet is one of that has all the nutrients. Got it? Water and roughage in the right amount. This is needed for the purpose. This is needed for the proper functioning of the body. Why it is needed? What it is needed here? Balanced diet. This is needed for the proper functioning of the body. To remain fit and healthy, it is important to eat a balanced diet. Balanced diet comes under what, children? What are the sources? We are going to find out now. And in my last class, I have given you some examples related to bodybuilding food, protective food, and energy giving food. Those all things also comes under balanced diet. Now, I am going to explain you about vitamins, how they help us, and what are the sources. Sources is nothing but what, children? What we should eat. Those all things comes under sources. Vitamin A, good for eyes and healthy skin. Vitamin A, good for eyes and healthy skin. Cabbage, milk, fish, carrot, eggs. These all are good for eyes as well as for healthy skin. Vitamin B helps in body growth and nervous system. Milk, fish, unpolished rice, potatoes. These are helping in what? Nervous systems and body growth. Nervous system and body growth. What are the sources? Milk, fish, unpolished rice and potatoes. These are related to which vitamin? Vitamin B. Now come to vitamin C. Helping healing wounds. Orange, lemon, amla, grapes. Vitamin D helps in bone and teeth formation. Vitamin D comes under what? Helps in bone and teeth formation. What are the sources here? He mentioned milk, butter, fish, sunlight. Sunlight is very important, children. Helps in bone and teeth formation. You should drink milk, have some butter, fish. These all are very good for your health. Vitamin E helps the body cells to stay strong. Vitamin E helps the body to stay strong. What are the sources here he mentioned? Wheat, rice, oil, green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are very important, children. Whenever your mother prepared or makes spinach and all, don't ask her prepare something else, I don't want to eat this. No, whatever your parents are preparing for you, whatever your mother is preparing for you, eat that. That comes under healthy diet. And stop eating junk food, children. Junk food is what? Like burger, pizza, samosas, these all things comes under junk food. So avoid this all and eat healthy diet. Helps our blood to clot. Now we are going to discuss on vitamin K helps our blood to clot. What are the sources he mentioned here? Fish, milk, chestnut, green leafy vegetables. So you can find out the sources, children, in each and every vitamin. Milk and fish is, he mentioned milk as well as fish. Definitely he mentioned. So you got to know that how much milk is very important for our body. How milk is very important for our body. Fish as well as fish also. So whenever your mother is preparing these all things, making for you, then eat. Don't say I don't want to eat this or that. This is very healthy diet. Follow this. Ask your mother if she is preparing, then yes, I am going to eat. Don't say no. Today, now I am going to give you a brief introduction related to healthy eating. Like whenever you start eating a raw vegetable, wash it properly, then go for it. And if you are cooking something, then don't make a deep fry, because it's avoid what? Nutrients. If you deep fry it, then